right, y'all. So I'm about to try this. Do y'all know what this is? This is the Kylie Jenner lip plumper. I'm about to try this, and I'm about to get my husband reaction. Let's see. Babe! Yeah. Come help me with this real quick.
What's that?
So I have this thing that I'm trying to do with my hair or whatever. Can you...
Babe, where the fuck? What's your mouth?
What?
Babe, what do your mouth?
What happened?
Your mouth swell your fuck, you see it?
No.
Chabe, you batam pata.
What about it?
How where the mama bumbo glad you go? How this out?
What happened?
Your mouth swell.
How did it swell? I was hoping...
You can't ask me how it swell.
I was hoping you could put some stuff on my lips for me.
Let me put funny. Tell me now.
Babe.
But when me put panny and me ask you.
I just need a kiss.
With this amount lip as a bit. Come. Oh, look.
Is it ugly?
You look like Piggy, you know Piggy?